then it's going to go ahead and do that. So this is a variable that's going to change. In the earlier one also, this is always true. I misled you a little bit. This is the request that's going to go from the network layer. So this one is true or false depending on the network layer. But the program keeps running, protocol keeps running forever. So again, it's going to just extract the data by throwing away the header, trailer, etc., and passing on the information. It deliver it to the network layer. Any questions? So that being the basic thing, we'll now look at a picture that's 11, which shows this flow of control. You have sender A, receiver B, and how sender sends frames to the receiver. That's what we are going to discuss. So it's an example of communication using this simple protocol. The sender sends a sequence of frames without even thinking about what the receiver is ready to receive or anything of that kind. There are 3 frames in this case that are sent, so obviously 3 events are going to occur at the sender side, and similarly, and those are all triggered by the network layer. On the receiver side, 3 events would be triggered by the physical layer saying, hey, we have received a frame. 3 times it will happen, and the data frames are shown in tilted boxes, and the height of the box defines the transmission time difference between the first bit and the last bit in the frame, that being the notation. Here it is, the tilted, that means it's a frame that's being sent, and that's the time, right? So at this time, the request comes in, the frame is sent, now it stops. No, not A is not sending anything during this period of time. Again, the network layer sends an information saying send, so again another frame is sent, and so on. So there is different variations at a time, obviously determined by the